With this secret AI tool, you can effortlessly create automatic video shorts for free. Then, just upload them to YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook to start earning some solid income. All you have to do is type in your topic, and the tool handles the rest, automatically generating and adding video clips, images, voiceovers, smooth transitions, crisp subtitles, and even background music. The best part? It only takes about 5 minutes to make each video. Plus, you can create and upload videos in any language you want. Hey everyone, I'm Amelia. Welcome to the AppInsightAI channel. Let's jump right in without wasting any time. First things first, open up Google Chrome, then type in ZebraCat.ai in the search bar. You'll spot the official ZebraCat website. Just look for the logo and click on it. Once you're there, you'll see an interface and hit the Get Free Access button. Next, log in using your email or your Google account. But hold on, if you want to use this tool for free forever, you're going to need multiple email IDs. To do that, open a new tab and search for Mail Meteor. All right, pay close attention. A lot of people accidentally click on the wrong website, which you definitely don't want to do. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the option for a Gmail generator. That's the one you need to click. Next, you'll see an interface like this. Here, make sure to enter your email correctly, the one that's on your phone. You should have at least one email ready. Then hit generate. You'll get a whole bunch of email IDs. If one email can generate up to 200 new emails, that means you can log into any site 200 times using those generated emails. Now go ahead and copy all these emails from here. For example, I'll copy a few right now. Then open your notepad and paste them there. All right, now take one of those emails you copied and head back over to the ZebraCat website. Paste that email into the email address field and click Continue. Next, enter your name and create a password. Make sure your password has a mix of both lowercase and uppercase letters. Here's an example you can follow. Once that's done, click Continue. For verification, a code will be sent to your main email, the same one you used to generate all those extra emails. So, no matter which generated email you use to log in, the verification code will always land in your main inbox. First, open up your Gmail inbox. You'll see an email from ZebraCat waiting for you. Go ahead and open it. Then click on Confirm Email Address. After that, just answer a few quick questions they ask. Boom, your account is now logged in. You'll see an interface like this. From here, you need to pick one option. I'm going with healthy eating, then hitting the next step. Next up, you'll choose the type of video you want to create. Now select the visual style for your video. You've got 3 options: avatar video, AI image, and stock media. Personally, I think AI image is the best choice, so I'm going with that. Then click next step. You'll see 2 or 3 scripts pop up. Pick the one you like best. You can even check out how long each script is. That tells you roughly how many seconds your video will be. After you've done all that, just hit the Generate Video button down at the bottom. It'll take about 1 to 2 minutes, so hang tight and wait for it to finish. All right, the video's ready. Let me play it for you.
Tired? What if we told you the secret to boundless energy lies in what you eat? Discover the power of healthy eating today. Imagine enjoying delicious meals that not only taste amazing, but also nourish your body. Fresh salads, hearty grains, and vibrant veggies await you.
As you can see, the video turned out really high quality. Plus, the captions are added with a sleek, premium look. Now, you'll find options to customize everything. You can switch up the subtitle templates. There are tons of styles to choose from. You can also tweak the text color, font, and more. On top of that, you can adjust the background music to fit your vibe. And don't forget, you can personalize the image animations exactly how you want them. From this screen, you can check out all the images that were used in your video. Once you've customized everything to your liking, go ahead and click the export arrow. Set the resolution to 720p and keep the compression on medium, then hit Prepare Video. You won't be able to save the video in 1080p for free here, but don't worry, we'll convert it to high quality later. The processing will take about 1 to 2 minutes, so just hang tight. All right, the video's been exported. To download it, click on the video first, then hit the 3 dots and choose Download from there. Or you can head back and click the 3 dots again to download the video from that spot. All right, our video's all set, but did you notice something? While making that video, we didn't get the option to write our own language or script. So now, I'm going to show you another way to create videos, one where you can customize all that stuff exactly how you want, and even make videos in Hindi. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Our goal this year is 5,000 subscribers, and I'm confident you'll help me get there. All right, let's get started. Click on Create Video. Now you'll see a bunch of new features that weren't available before. All right, now pick the type of video you want to create, like prompt to video. Just type in your video topic and it'll create the video for you. URL to video, drop in a link to any video and it'll make a similar style video. Script to video, paste your video script here and it'll turn that script into a video. Audio to video, upload your audio and it'll build a video around it. For now, we'll go with prompt to video, but if you already have a script, feel free to use script to video. Next, click on language and pick the language for your your video. Hindi's available too, but I'm going with English. Then choose your video length. You can make videos anywhere from 10 seconds up to 5 minutes, so yeah, you can even go long form. For now, I'm selecting 30 seconds. Next, go ahead and click on Story Style. Now choose the kind of video you want to make. Options include educational, horror, motivational, historical, or fun fact. I'm going with motivational for now. After that, you'll need to enter a sample prompt for your video. If you're not sure what to write, don't worry, there are example prompts listed right below. Just pick a topic that catches your eye. Once that's done, hit Generate Script. The tool will give you 2 different scripts to choose from. You can select one, or if you're not feeling either, click Regenerate to get more options. Now hit Next Step. Here's where you'll choose your video's visual style. There are a bunch of styles to pick from. For this one, I'm going with the realistic style. Alright, now click on Next Step. You'll see a screen like this pop up. Just scroll down and click Next Step again. Now it's time to choose your video's aspect ratio. You'll even find options for long-form videos here, which is great if you're planning to post on platforms like YouTube. Don't touch the voice settings, those features are reserved for paid users. Next, choose the music style for your video. Since I'm working on a motivational video, I'm going with the inspiring music option. Now go ahead and hit Generate Video, and just like that, your video is ready. Let's hit play and take a look.
You're one step away from going totally viral on TikTok. Your engaging content is ready. Now it's time to make it absolutely shine online instantly. Crafting engaging TikToks that get noticed is within your reach. Focus on authenticity, creativity, and persistence to grow your audience steadily.
As you can see, the video turned out pretty solid, but here's the thing, the voice quality isn't the best. That's why I highly recommend uploading a separate high-quality voiceover. A great option is using 11 Labs. It'll seriously boost engagement and make your content way more professional. Plus, better quality, more earnings. Now, if you want to tweak anything, go ahead and make your edits. If not, you're all set to export your video. Alright, now we're going to color grade the video and turn it into high quality. First, open up any editing app of your choice. I'm using the VN editing app on my phone. After importing your video, tap on Filter and then go to Adjust. Now follow the exact settings I'm using. Increase the brightness by around 5 to 10%. Then raise the contrast by about 10 to 15%. Boost the saturation by 10%. Adjust both the highlights and shadows by 5%. Increase the vignette somewhere between 20 to 30%. And finally, raise the sharpness up to 70 to 80%. The more you increase the sharpness, the better your video quality will look. You can now clearly see the before and after. And notice how professional and high quality your video appears after the color grading. Now slightly increase the speed of your video to give it a little more energy. And that's it. Your video is now fully ready. Go ahead and export it in high quality and you're good to go. From now on, make it a daily habit to upload 2 shorts on one channel. And here's the smart part, create 2 or 3 different channels in separate categories and keep uploading regularly. Creating 6 videos for 3 channels will only take you about 1 to 2 hours, and uploading them should take another hour. So realistically, you're looking at just 2 to 3 hours of work a day. If you stay consistent, at least one of your channels is bound to take off. If you've watched the video all the way to this point, drop a comment and let me know how you liked it, and feel free to tell me what topic you want me to cover next. Also, if you're interested, go ahead and check out the important video popping up on your screen right now. I'll see you over there. Until then, take care and bye for now.